In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to summarize an article. Whether you're working with a full article, a lengthy report, a blog post, or even a research paper, this walkthrough will show you how to get clear, accurate summaries fast. We'll start by providing the article content. Open your article, copy the text you want summarized, and paste it directly into ChatGPT. You can include the entire piece or just the relevant sections you care about. When you paste "Thardi," give ChatGPT a little context so it knows exactly what to do. If you want it concise, say so up front. If you'd like a more comprehensive treatment, say that too. The more specific you are, the better the result. Right after you share the text, specify the desired summary length and what to emphasize. A simple instruction like "Summarize this article in 150 words and highlight the main points" tells ChatGPT to focus on the most important information and key takeaways. This helps avoid vague overviews and ensures that the essential insights aren't lost. Next, choose the type of summary that best fits your needs. Ask for a short overview if you just want the gist, or request a detailed summary when you need more depth. If you prefer quick scanning, you can ask for bullet point summaries. You can also instruct ChatGPT to extract key facts, statistics, and conclusions, or to simplify complex content for easier understanding. For example, summarize this article into 5 key bullet points for a beginner audience. Now customize the output so it matches your audience and purpose. You can ask for a version tailored to executives, students, clients, or a general audience. Request language that's simple, professional, or academic, and ask ChatGPT to focus on specific sections or themes if that's what matters most. When you need a business-ready overview, try "Summarize this article for business executives and focus on the key recommendations." Finally, review and refine the summary. If it's too long, ask ChatGPT to shorten it. If it's too brief, ask it to expand. It's also smart to verify important facts and conclusions against the original article. Generate multiple versions for different uses so you can compare clarity and tone. A quick prompt like "Rewrite this summary in under 100 words while keeping the most important insights" lets you fine-tune for speed and comprehension. And that's it. Clear, efficient summaries that save time while improving understanding.